Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. TFW Trades for the Week, and current time in the UK is 5:42 Saturday, 20th of December. Let's see what the markets looks like for the upcoming week. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 markets for this week, which I think can go in our favor. First one is the GBP CHF. This was the market which I was interested in last week as well, but nothing much happened. But this week, weekly is bearish, daily is bullish. If you see, this is the high, and this is the current high-low, right? So now the price is at the area of interest. What I'm waiting for is the 4-hour to go bullish, which it will happen if it breaks the previous lower high and then come back retest, and this is where I'm gonna look for my entries and then take a buy. So that's all I'm waiting for on the GBP CHF. Also, because we want 2 consecutive time frames in sync. Currently weekly is bearish, daily is bullish. And the 4-hour is also bearish, right? So this is the scenario at the moment. So what I want for the 4-hour to go bullish as well, so that 2 consecutive time frames will be in sync, and then we are good to go for the trade. But let's see, we'll see how it goes when the market opens. Next one is Euro USD. Euro USD weekly is bullish at the moment, daily is bullish, and 4-hour is bearish. So we got 2 area of interest. If you look at this one, then there's 1 touch point, 2 touch points, 3 touch points, 4, 5, and 6. So we got 6 touch points on this area of interest. We need minimum of 3 touches to be considered it as a valid area of interest. So we got 6 over here, and on the second one, if you want to have a look, then there is like 1, kinda 2, then we got 3, we got 4 over this one, 5, and kind of 6. So we got 6 points on this one as well. Now what I'll be waiting for the price to do is either give me an entry on this area of interest, which will be the shift of structure on the lower time frames, 2 hour, 1 hour, or 30 minutes, wherever, and then give me my entry signal, which will be the engulfing. So either on this one or this one, and then we'll take a buy. Next one is USD CAD. So weekly is bearish. If we go to the weekly, this was the high, and this was the high low. Price has broken below the previous high low, so now the price is bearish on the weekly. If we go to the daily one, then this is the previous lower high, and this is the lower low. So now I'm waiting for the price to tap into my area of interest, and then it might reject the EMA, which should come down. I think it will happen around Tuesday, Wednesday-ish. But yeah, so the price should reject the EMA, the area of interest, and around psychological level, also previous structure point as well. So then we'll go to our lower time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and then we'll look for entries. So that's what I'm waiting for on the USD CAD. Next one is NZD CAD. Same thing, I'm waiting for the price to come back to the area of interest and then go down to our lower time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and then shift of structure. Right. Next one is GBP NZD. GBP NZD on the weekly is bearish. If you look at this one, this is the lower high and this is the lower low. Price is still in between, so that's why the weekly is bearish. If we drop down to the daily, then daily is bearish. Don't look at this one. You have to zoom out a little bit and then look at the bigger picture. So don't focus on just this one, but you have to go back a bit, take a good image of the chart, and then see. This is the daily lower high, this is the daily lower low. Price has not broken any one of these lines, so the price is still in between, and that's why the daily is still bearish. If you look at the closer picture, then you will be wrong, because daily you might consider daily bullish, but it's not, still bearish. So what I want the price is to come back to the area of interest. It has already rejected the area of interest, it has already rejected the round psychological level. I don't know, I have to look if this is ready. If we drop down to the 4 hour is bullish indeed. And if we look at the lower time frames, then what I want the lower time frame to do is shift of structure. This is the 2 hour. We drop down to 1 hour, then this is the 1 hour. Yeah, this is the 1 hour. And if we drop down to the 30 minutes, this one is also the 30 minute. So I don't know, I have to see if I want to wait for the price to completely come into the area, or if it gives me a good entry on the lower time frames. So let's see how the market opens, and then we'll make the decision. But as of now, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish, and 4 hour is bullish. All I'm looking for is to shift off structure on the lower time frames and then entry signal. That's all. But if you wanna have an update about these markets and all, please do check out my Instagram, where I post about these entries, exits, or in between updates about the trades. The name is in the description. Go have a look. So next one is USD JPY. These JPY currencies are like, all of them were like high last week. They went all bullish, but this week I only got these two, USD JPY and AUD JPY, because it looks more clear than the other ones. So on the USD JPY, weekly is bullish, daily is bullish, and 4 hour is bullish indeed. So what I'm waiting, come back to the area of interest. Price is here at the moment, come back, reject the previous structure point, maybe the round psychological level, area of interest, and then we'll look for our entries on the smaller time frames, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and take a buy. Same with the AUD JPY, same thing. If you look at the USD JPY, AUD JPY, it's both are same, weekly bullish, daily bullish, and 4 hour is bullish as well. So all we are waiting for the price to come back, retest the previous structure point, retest the area of interest, and then take a buy. So these were the markets which I'm interested in trading this week. If you want live updates, you can check out my Instagram page where I put the entry for the trades, exit for the trades, and in between updates. So make sure you check it out, and safe trade.